Has this ever happened to you? Someone used your mobile phone and then returns it with a mysterious dot floating on your display screen, and you don't know where the hell it's coming from or what they were doing to get there in the first place. Well, I'm going to demonstrate how to remove it using a Huawei Mate 20 Lite. You're going to locate and tap on your settings. This is on your mobile phone. At the top of the settings screen, a search bar should be visible, and in the search bar you can type navigation dock. Please subscribe, like, and drop a comment below if this method worked for you. But if it didn't, please still comment and let's see if I'll be able to help you in any other way to resolve it. Tap on the navigation dock and then turn off the navigation dock option. It's as easy as that. This will be helpful for everyone that uses an Android phone. Thank you so much for watching. Ons DIY sommer goed. Cheers!